Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So enjoy the video. Nothing makes a Christmas day shine like a beautiful centerpiece, and sometimes the most magical ones come from the simple thing. Today we are using a cake stand to create elegant festive centerpiece perfect for your dining table, coffee table, or even your interview. The base. Start with the cake stand, any size, any style. You can use glass for elegance or wood charm and weavers. For a clean winter look, if you don't have a cake stand, don't worry, you can take 2 plates with a cup candle holder in between to make your own centerpiece. And we will slide it up. Now it's time for glow and spark. Place candles or fairy lights at the center of your stand. You can choose warm golden lights for a cozy feel or white lights for a more modern touch. The reflection on glass ornaments will make the wall centerpiece beautiful and decoration. Let's add your Christmas decoration touch. Ornaments or crystal circles around the candles. Use a mix of size and shining and mattes and glitter for balance. If you want a touch of warmth in a few dry orange or small gifts box, these tiny details bring your centerpiece to get live. The finished touch for a luxury finish. The dia velvet ribbon around the base of the cake stand or spark of artificial snow over the top. The snow catch the lights and give their magical winter spark. You can also add reindeer, angels, or star ornaments to complete the look. And viewers, silk flower for a graceful finish. Everything here shimmer softly, never too loud, always refined and brilliant. Light and elegance. Place a white candle in the center, around by a small golden ornaments. The warm glow will reflect across your table like a little star in weavers. star. This not only look beautiful, they fill your space with a warm Christmas and decoration. Candles, add 2 or 3 small candles, nothing to tell, just to glow. Gentle up a ribbon around the stand and maybe add a tiny wooden tag that say Merry Christmas. And viewers, cool white fairy lights around the base. When they glow, it's look like sparking in the snow. And viewers, winter adds silver ornaments, white candles, and clear crystal bell. We can even use cotton snow to fill in the gap for that soft bit. And we will start with the white glass cake stands, brown forest, creamy or whites. And then this will be your snow around. So viewers, glow cake stands and wrappers around the candles with small light tea lights. Use clear glass holder for spot. One for a gentle glow. The keys warm lights that dance softly across your table. So viewers, this centerpiece is pure joy, perfect for family dinners, kids' day,